Hey guys, we're starting a new month, and I just want to first start by thanking you for our first 100 subscribers. It really means a lot, and this is just a stepping stone to another dimension for us. So, thank you guys. We're currently looking at GBPJPY on the monthly, and looking at this monthly chart, we can tell that price has produced a huge bearish candle over here. So this shows that for the month of July, prices have failed to the downside, meaning that the bears have taken control. So it's great for us because you're going to be now looking for trades going to the downside. So this candle over here that I was pointing at is what we call a bearish pin bar. This shows that price has been here. However, due to the selling pressure, the market pushed to the downside and fell lower and closed below our monthly resistance level at 147,500. And it also rejected our EMAs. I won't say the exact coordinates of these EMAs because I need to be fair to our members. So now we have a directional bias which is bearish. We can drop down to the daily to make much more sense of this chart. So looking at this chart much more closer to add more confluence into it, we can use what we call a Fibonacci retracement zone. So looking at the Fibonacci retracement, we pay attention to the zones, which is the 50% and the 61.8% at this levels. So at this levels, you're going to be looking for opportunities to sell, but first you're going to have to wait for a price action signal. So as you can see, these levels are quite confluent with our monthly resistance level where price produced a huge bearish pin bar on the monthly chart. So we're going to be waiting for a movement to the upside, something like this, right? And at this level, we're going to be looking for a price action signal. We teach this in our course where we're going to be waiting for either a pin bar, a bearish pin bar to be exact, an inside bar continuation pattern, or a fakey setup. And price is most likely to push to the downside after those signals are formed. Our first target is going to be at negative 27 fib, going to the downside. So guys, I hope you find this really helpful. In the members zone, the difference is we're going to be showing them the exact areas where they need to enter their trades, put their stop loss, and they make money in line with us. So if you're not a member of Landtrue Global Associates and you would wish to become a member, I have a link down in our description. You can simply click down the link to visit our website and discover how we make money trading the forex markets. I love you guys, and thank you so much once again for our first 100 subscribers here on YouTube. Peace.